Today I am in California. I am on the eastern side of the Sierra Nevada mountains finding fall. So I'm continuing my adventure. So this video did not go as planned. So I have been wanting to share these images with you guys. I went on a trip last fall to June Lake and it was the perfect timing. All the aspens were changing. It was so beautiful and I was so excited, and I got some of the coolest fall photos, and yeah, all the videos, yeah, they're just not awesome. So then I was trying to figure out, I'm like, you know what? No, I'm going to post it anyway because I want to share this with you guys. And yeah, just because it's not perfect doesn't mean I shouldn't share it. And I kept going through this over and over in my head. And then, you know, I eventually never posted it. And then fall came around this year and I'm like, ah, yeah, perfect time to post it. And yeah, I started going through the videos again. I'm like, I can't post this stuff. So I decided to do something a lot different than my normal videos. It's just different, so hopefully you guys like it. But I wanted to share, I just really wanted to share the photos with you guys because I like the photos so much. So anyways, it's way different than what I normally post, but here it is. Perspective and look up. So I've got my zoom lens on, my shutter is 320, f8, ISO 250, I've got it zoomed in to 200, and I'm doing a really close up of this, and it's a vertical, and it's actually just like this portion right here. So I did a wide angle of this one, did a close up, continuing onward. wasn't really behind the scenes in how I got the shot. It wasn't tips or tricks or anything like that, but you know, I figured it was better to post it than not. I figured I really wanted to share this stuff with you guys. I really wanted you to see the images, and yeah, so that's why I decided, you know what, I'm just gonna post it, and I want to share it with you guys and show you guys what June Lake is all about, show you guys how beautiful it really is in the fall, and show you guys the pictures that I got out of that trip. So anyways, that I have way too many videos that I make and don't post, and it's a shame, and it's kind of a waste, and I just wanted to share these ones with you. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more from me. And if you want to see daily images, you can check out my Instagram at Bessie Young Photography. And I will see you guys in my next video. I bet you're wondering what's in here. Is it water? Is it wine? Is it beer? Is it whiskey? You'll never know.